Alright guys, so I went to Ohio today and picked up my new project. As the 944 is done. It is a 1990 964. I do have the front suspension. It's not on the car though. And this will be going into a coupe. Yes, a coupe. Give you a quick walk around. Pretty clean. It's gonna be a fun project. Always wanted a 964. So let's see what we can turn this thing into. Go up here. For the camera.
I'm surprised this thing's fucking running.
Yeah,
this thing lasts all the way through this cut. I'm buying everybody dinner.
What's going on, guys? Chris back here at Rusty Ratchet. Got one project done. Got a new one. So the other project of the Camaro and the other Porsche is on hold. I got me a 964 and I'm already trying out my backdate fenders. So, picked this up yesterday. So, let's go for another walk around. Alright guys, so yeah, so that's it. That is what I bought. A little bit of damage on the quarter panel here. Apparently it must have hit a curb or something because that rear control arm, or I don't know what the hell they call them on these things. I'm gonna say lower control arm, whatever, trailing arm, more probably. That's got a big weld in it, so more likely it hit a curb and they cracked it. I don't see any frame damage or nothing like that. So, but all up inside here, it's all stripped. So, in reality, it saves me a lot of time stripping the car. So now I just got to clean everything up and make do. Gas tank's already unbolted, just sitting in there. So yeah. I do have one of the control arms in strut. I don't know what side yet. That one replaces the cracked one that's re-welded. That one there. That right there is my parts car. I'm going to take the roof off that. And the doors. And that's probably it. So that's going to donate that. Oh, and I need the, right here, that little piece for the taillight. I'm going to need that because these back here get cut out. They're completely different on the 964, so all that gets cut out, and then that one little piece of metal goes in there. Yeah, so this quarter panel's good. This is one with the damaged control arm, so that's actually pretty good. There's literally no rust on the car except for that crap, and that crap's getting cut out. The rest of the crap's getting cleaned up, but there's no rust where you can pop your whole finger through the hole. Whatever, finger hole. But wire wheel will take that right up. I ain't worried about that. I'll clean that up. Might as well spray some WD-40 on it. Slow the process down. Then you got some light stuff over here. I got a little bubble here. I'm not worried about that either. So, but other than that, of course, solid. Solid as a rock. Surface rust down on the floor pans. That stuff will polish right up. Sound dent, I still gotta take the sound denting out, that little crap. Then I'm gonna break up all that crap down there. Yeah, so. All right guys, so that's the walk around on the 964 here. Never worked on one before. Never owned one before. Never even drove one before. But I'm gonna build one. I'm gonna document it. And I was on the internet the other night looking for stuff on this, and can't find people actually doing too much in the 964s. Maybe a rust repair here or adding a part there, but nothing about the lower control arms or the HVAC stuff or any other thing. Nothing. But I'm actually going to do a video on putting a roof on now. I don't see any of them out there either. So, but it's going to be a long build. It's a good build. At least I don't have to tear it apart. That's already done, like I said. And probably about 2 months I will start the build. And we're going to be taking parts off of that car right there. Yep. Poor Camaro is going on hold because I'm too excited to build the 964. Jumping for joy. Alright guys, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you want to watch the build on this 964. And it's going to be a long journey, but I've been down that road before and I'm going to get it done. And I'll let you know exactly what I'm doing little by little as it goes along. And yeah, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And we're going to save this little puppy. We're going to bring it back to life and put it back on the road. So I'll see you soon on whatever I'm going to do to it. I don't know yet. More likely I got to put the front suspension in, and then that's it. So again, hit that like and subscribe button, and I got to get back to work. See you guys. Alright guys, so the video's not over yet. Thought it was, but it's not. What I want you to do is hang on for another minute or two. I got a collage of photos of cars that I did from the conditions they were in when I got them to what they look like today. You'll see my black 911, you'll see my red slant nose. It had different fenders before, it had regular fenders on it. And then you'll see a 944, then you'll see the 964, and then the blue 73 RS backdate that I want this thing to look like. And then a little drag racing video of the black 911. So with that, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and make a comment. Let me know what you think. So, because I want to keep pumping a lot more videos out now. And see you guys on the next video.